Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about the Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card. And more specifically, we're going to answer the question, can you use your Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card at a gas station? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with the Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card, it's definitely one of the more popular gift cards on the market right now. Basically all it is, you just buy this little card at a local retailer. Once you buy the card, then you can load cash onto it one time. Once that happens, then you can usually use it at most places that accept debit Visa, which is most places these days. But can you use it at gas stations? That's what we're going to talk about. So I went ahead and opened up the Vanilla Gift website here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there because you will need to go to this website in order to use this card at a gas station. So to make a long story with a quick answer, the short answer is yes, you can use the Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card at gas stations, but there's a couple of things you want to consider before you go to the gas stations with this card. First off is gas stations, when you pull up to the pump and then you swipe a credit card or a debit card or basically any credit card that you use at the pump, once you swipe it through, it's going to run an authorization for a predetermined amount. So that depends on the gas station. Sometimes they're only going to authorize it for $20, sometimes $30, sometimes $50, sometimes up to $125, what I've seen at the pump. Now that doesn't mean that you're actually going to get charged for that amount, but what they're doing is they're running an authorization to put that amount of a hold on your card. And then once you've done pumping gas there at the gas station, then they would correct that dollar amount. But until that amount is corrected, that money could be on hold for 5 to 7 business days. So what does that mean for you? If you're going to be using your Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card there at the gas station, and if you have a small dollar amount like what I do, $25, if they try to run an authorization for $50, it would be declined because I don't have $50 on my Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card. So if it's a gas station that runs an authorization for more than what you have on your Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card, it will not go through. Now there are some gas stations that only run a $1 authorization just to open up a pump, and then that $1 authorization is then corrected at a later time for the true dollar amount. If that's the type of gas station that you go to, then you will be able to use your Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card, no issues at all. But those are pretty rare. I don't think that they do that anymore just because they don't understand or they don't know how much gas you're going to put into your car. And also policies change from gas station to gas station, so it's really difficult to know which gas station you can use your Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card. But if you do have one close by you, or if you have enough money on your Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card to cover that first authorization, then you can use it, but you do need to register a zip code onto your card. And how you do it is you go to this website here. It's the one that's usually on the back of your card. Again, check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. Once you get here to this website, you want to click on this section right here, check your balance. There's a red line called check your balance and view transactions now. I'm going to click there now. Once you're here on the screen, then you'll need to enter in your 16-digit Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card along with expiration date and security code. I'm going to enter mine in off screen now. Okay, so I went ahead and entered in all of the required information. Next, this sign in button here pops up. I'm going to click there now. All right, so I went ahead and signed in, and then once you're here on this screen, what you want to do is look for this line, this balance and transactions. It's written in red. I'm going to click there now. All right, next this screen pops up, and you want to look for this line called assign zip code. It's right here. I'm going to click there now. All right, so I went ahead and clicked there, and then if you look down a little bit further, I've already registered my zip code here on my Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card. But if you haven't, you click on this red button right here, edit zip code. I'm going to click there now. All right, I click there, and then you would want to go ahead and enter in a zip code for your Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card. It really doesn't matter what zip code you use. It could be yours or your grandma's or your friends. It doesn't really matter. It's just going to basically put in a 5-digit code for your Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card. Once you've entered one in, then you want to go ahead and click save. I'm not going to change my zip code because I've already have it registered. Just so you know that once you register that zip code on your Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card, it can take 5 to 15 minutes or so. So make sure you do this before you go to the gas station. But once you've done that and you register the zip code, then you can use this Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card at a gas station. One last thing I want to know is that if for whatever reason the website doesn't take your zip code or it won't accept it, because sometimes they have errors on their back-end system, what you'll want to do is just flip the card over and then call the 1-800 number that's on the back of your card. It's kind of hard to find just because they don't make it really easy to find it. It's written in really small print, but mine's right here. Your number might be different, so just use the one off the back of your card, and then that way you can use the automated system to register a zip code in order to use your Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card at a gas station. So there you have it. Hope that answers your question. Can you use a Vanilla Visa Debit Gift Card at a gas station? The answer is yes. Just need to go ahead and consider those things before you go to the gas station. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.